I'm Maegan Davenport, exercise physiologist and wellness coach at Lake Huron Medical Center. Today we're here discussing meal prepping and how you can get started. So meal prepping is one of the most effective tools that can help you keep on track with your diet. It really helps with weight loss and it also helps save money. Simply just starting out with 30 minutes with your weekend to prep can make a big impact. I recommend that you base your meal around protein, 3 to 4 ounces of animal protein as a minimum per person. Typically, women need an average of 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal, and men anywhere from 30 to 50. Boosting your protein intake period can also help you suppress your appetite. This also helps you lose body fat and it helps you maintain your muscle mass, which we know is essential and protective to longevity. Consume lean portions of protein, things like tenderloin or chicken breast to keep your saturated fat intake low. Then you can add fillers that contain fiber and color. Keeping foods in your diet that you love is essential to being successful. Comfort foods can be healthy. Add in beans or nuts to your meals to boost your fiber intake. Sneaking in just even an extra half a cup of vegetables can really help. And try to keep your carbs to a small serving. Things like rice, quinoa, potatoes, and noodles, these are all comfort foods that we love. But if you're really not careful with these portions, these excess carbs can actually lead into increased blood sugars or even things like fatty liver and metabolic syndrome, especially if you're not pairing these foods with protein or fat. So a good rule of thumb is to keep your portions controlled. 15 to 30 grams of carbs per meal can significantly help, especially when you're pairing them with protein. So mix it up and try something new. Try using equal parts of non-starchy veggies and carbs. A half a cup as a portion size of a non-starchy vegetable substitute, plus a third of a cup of a cooked prepared starch. Here are some examples. Try cauliflower rice along with a third of a cup of real rice that's been cooked, or spiralized zucchini noodles alongside of 1/3 of a cup of real cooked noodles. You can also even try spaghetti squash, which really do resemble noodles, and pair that with about a half a cup of cooked noodles. Just these small changes matter and they really can add up over time. Meal prepping can definitely save you time and help you make better choices every day. So thanks for listening and living healthy with Lake Huron.